In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. If websites are playing video or audio, but you can't hear anything in Chrome, there's a simple setting you should check first. Chrome includes built-in sound permissions, and if that setting has been changed, some or all sites may be blocked from playing audio. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option and how to turn sound back on. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser and open the Settings menu. This is where Chrome stores all of its browser preferences, including privacy, permissions, and media behavior. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section and click on it. This area controls how Chrome handles things like permissions, cookies, browsing protection, and access for websites. Since sound is managed as a site permission, this is the section we need. Next, click on Site Settings. This page gives you control over what websites are allowed to do when you visit them. For example, sites can ask to use your camera, microphone, notifications, and in this case, sound. If audio has been restricted here, Chrome may stay silent even when a site should be playing sound normally. After that, scroll until you find Additional Content Settings and click on it. This section contains more specific permissions that aren't always shown right away, so if you don't see the sound option immediately, this is the place to continue. Now click on Sound. Here, you'll see the main audio permission for websites in Chrome. Make sure the setting is turned on to allow sites to play sound. The option you want is Site can play sound. Once that is selected, Chrome will allow websites to play audio unless you've individually blocked a specific site before. If sound was disabled, turning this setting back on should solve the problem right away. After changing it, it's a good idea to refresh the website where you were having the issue, or close and reopen the tab. If needed, you can also restart Chrome to make sure the change fully takes effect. That's it. By checking Chrome's sound permission settings, you can quickly fix one of the most common causes of no audio in the browser. If this helped, you can use the same area in Chrome settings to manage other site permissions as well.